If you're a freelancer looking to scale your business, you need to learn how to turn your freelance offers into productized services. This simple strategy can help you streamline your workflow, attract more clients, and boost your revenue. Stick with me till the end, because I'm going to share exactly how to do this, plus a free trial offer for software that can help you set this up. Let's dive into it. The first step is identifying your core services. Start by thinking about the types of tasks you often do for clients. These tasks need to be repeatable and well-defined so that they can easily be turned into a productized service. This means simplifying what you offer into a clear package that clients can purchase with just a few clicks. Once you know what to offer, it's time to create your packages. Think of these like a menu at a restaurant, different tiers of service that solve specific problems. For example, if you're a web designer, instead of offering custom websites for every client, you could offer pre-built templates with a few customizations for different budgets. The goal is to create packages that are straightforward, easy to understand, and don't require endless back and forth with each client. Next, you'll want to automate as much as possible. This is where software comes in. You can use this software to create workflows that handle the administrative side of things, from contract signing to invoicing and follow-ups. Using software to automate these tasks frees up your time and ensures that you can focus on delivering value to your clients. The key here is to set expectations. When turning your freelance offers into productized services, you need to clearly communicate what clients will get and how they can order it. This makes the buying process easy for clients and reduces the chances of scope creep. Set clear deliverables, timelines, and prices up front. Now let's talk about marketing. Productized services sell themselves because they're packaged in a way that's easy to understand and buy, but you still need to market them. Position your service as a solution to a specific problem, and make sure your messaging is clear and concise. Highlight the benefits of choosing your service over traditional freelance options: faster delivery, predictable pricing, and less hassle. By using this software, you can manage all these steps in one place. Whether it's setting up your packages or automating client management, this software helps streamline the process so that you're not overwhelmed. And if you want to follow along and get started with your own productized services, I've linked an exclusive free trial to this software in the description below. You won't find this offer anywhere else. So, what's the key takeaway here? Turning your freelance offers into productized services allows you to scale your business by offering clear, repeatable packages and automating your processes. This means less time spent on administration and more time growing your client base. Let me quickly revise the main points. First, define your core services and package them into clear, repeatable offers. Then, automate your workflow to save time. Set expectations with clients to avoid misunderstandings. And finally, market your services as easy, predictable solutions to client problems. Remember, if you're serious about turning your freelance offers into productized services, take advantage of the exclusive free trial for this software in the description below. Get started today and see how easy it can be to scale your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.